Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm gonna be making a drill beat around an acapella. So my boy Shide Boss just dropped his new single, and it's kind of like a good vibes garage track, but he wanted me to do a drill remix. So I'm gonna see if I can completely flip the vibe and maybe turn it into something dark. It might be a bit of a challenge, but if it works it could turn out sick. So yeah, let's just get straight into this one. Alright, so I've got the original track plus the acapella to work around, so I'll show you what it sounds like first.
You know what time it is? Mother on the track.
So it's already a sick vibe. Got these hard Punjabi vocals for the hook, and then when his verse comes in, it's a vibe, man. Gives me old school garage vibes, but I want to completely flip the vibe. He wanted me to do a drill remix with no rules, so I want to change it up. First we got to work out the BPM. Alright, so it's about 130, but I'm flipping it into drill, so I need it somewhere around 140. I just think the vocals might stretch too much if we do that though, so we could go for somewhere around 138. And instead of the hook, I'm going to start with his main vocals. Just to get the main vibe down, I'm going to start with a piano like always, and then I might end up changing it. Let's just figure out the key first too. Alright, so I think we're working in B minor, and the progression's pretty simple. So it's mainly just two chords, so I think I might keep a similar chord progression but just different melody and switch up the vibe. And then from here we can just build some chords on that.
Work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever moved like a phony don, I ain't got no. Trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. Trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever moved like a phony don, I ain't got no time, but my rollies on.
So it's like the same chords, but it just sounds different because I've inverted them.
Trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only.
Bring it down an octave.
Work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only. Trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the. Trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever moved like a phony don, I ain't got no time. But trying to work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever moved like a phony don, I ain't got no time, but my rollies on when it.
Alright, so this can be the foundation, but we'll randomize it, get it sounding a bit more human.
Work out where she knows me from, got her eyes on me.
Same with the strumming, but I'll do that manually.
Trying to work out where she knows.
Maybe add another note here.
Maybe
some halftime on that piano too. Let's pitch it up an octave though.
Yeah,
it sounds hard. Alright, let's get some top notes in too. This is turning kind of dark.
When it comes to women, I'm bougie. I could never try wife, no floozy. And you know that the dress code's patterned. It's only Moncler, Stoney or Gucci.
Alright, maybe this piano will work better. And I'm hearing some kind of delay. Thinking this one. Let's cut out some lows and highs. Definitely need to take out some lows of the actual piano though.
And you know that the dress code's patterned. It's only Moncler, Stoney or Gucci.
Alright, the piano sound is sick. Next in my head I'm hearing an electric guitar, and it's been a while since I picked up mine, so let's see if we can put something in. Alright, so I've got a few different things that I can use, but I just need to clean it up, and my plan is to make it a bit more ambient, like you can barely even tell it's a guitar. So just added a noise suppressor to take out some of the noise from the mic. I'm just adding an EQ just to take down some of the low mids and the lows. And then I need a compressor just to tame some of those highs, make it more level.
where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the
yeah,
only
something
one.
like that. Just sort of
move like a phony don. I ain't got no time, but my rollies on. When it eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't never move like a phony don. I ain't got no time, but my rollies on. When it
Alright, the guitar sound is sick now. Now I'm thinking I should layer the main chords with something like a pad or just some more keys. Cool, so I'm thinking this airy strings preset in Analog Lab, and I've just filtered out some of the lows and highs.
Got no time, but my rollies on. When it comes to women, I'm bougie. I could never try.
Alright, next I'm hearing some kind of short strings, like staccato strings. So we could just take the chords, copy them into the strings, get rid of all of the counter melodies, and then we'll just chop it up. So it'll be something like this.
Trying to work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony don. I ain't got no time, but my rollies on. When it trying to work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony.
But yeah, those strings won't play all the way through. Okay, I'm thinking one more thing. I just want to add a layer of vocals. It might be a little bit too much now, but when it comes to arranging it, we might find space for it.
Trying to work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony don. I ain't got no.
Just that.
Trying to work out where she knows me
So we
from.
could do something like this.
I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony don. I ain't
Like
got
when the
no
strings
time,
aren't
but my
playing.
rollies on. When it know that the dress code's patterned, it's only Moncler, Stoney or Gucci.
Alright, so we've got some options when we arrange it, but for now I need to add in the drums. And let's move to a different section, so I've got something fresh to work with.
She the life of the party. Bet she look nice in the sari. She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney. Ain't near us. He don't like me, but his girl though. She the life.
Alright, I'm gonna go for this potions counter snare, and we'll just use a MIDI from my Hazy hi-hat MIDI kit. One, because it's a sick kit and it just works every time. And two, because it's getting crazy hot in here, so I need to speed things up. I think this 5-year one.
Bet she look nice in the sari. She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney.
But yeah, let's swap the counter snare. I think this classy one.
She the life.
And then we'll just take out a few notes.
She the life of the party. Bet she look nice in the sari. She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney.
And I'm just bringing in another one, this 420. And I just want to use this to create more bounce. So maybe with these ones where the velocity's down, I'll just take them out of this. And then I'll do the opposite in the second one.
She the life of the party. Bet she look nice.
So yeah, I think that works.
She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs.
Just keeps it interesting. Okay, for the 8-way, I'm gonna go back to the posted one. And then I might just try a few different ones.
She the life in the sari. She the life of the party. Bet she look nice in the sari. She got the prettiest eyes and she got the prettiest
something
eyes
like
and
this.
the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney. She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney. Liking this Artney. I make racks liking this Artney. I make racks on a daily. Straight facts, I be wavy. These jealous man.
And then maybe here we could have one that's just chopped up.
Liking this Artney. I make racks on a daily. Straight liking this Artney. I make racks on a daily. Straight
And then we'll just pan those too.
It's Artney. I make racks on a daily. Straight fact, these jealous man, they ain't near us. He don't like. These jealous man, they ain't near us. He don't like me.
And then 4 at the end here. Just getting the pattern in first.
These jealous man. But his girl though. But his girl. But his girl though. She the life of the party. Bet she look nice in the sari. She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney. Thighs, I think I'm liking this Artney. I make racks on a daily. Straight facts, I be wavy. These jealous man, they ain't near us. He don't like me. He don't like me. But his girl though. She the life.
I'm loving the contrast in this track. It's like party vocals and then just dark drill vibes.
She the life of the party. She the life of the party. Bet she look nice in the sari.
Simple
She got
open
the
half
prettiest
pattern.
eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this Artney. I make racks.
Alright, let's get a riser in there too.
Don't like me. But his girl though.
And because we might be releasing this, I've got to have my signature camera flash in there.
These jealous man, they ain't near us. He don't like me. But his girl.
Alright, I'm thinking one more perk just to end the 8-bar.
He don't like me. But his girl. He don't like me. But his girl.
Cool, I'm already kind of doing too much, so I'm just going to start arranging it, and then any last minute effects I can put them in there. So I think just start with the keys. Then I think I'll leave the guitars out here. So yeah, so when the hook comes in, I'm not going to have everything. I'm going to save that for the second hook. Oh, but you know what? A sub bass would be sick here. But yeah, maybe this one can come down actually.
She knows me from.
Yeah, and then in this section there can be a little pause and then all of the drums come in.
Trying to work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a
That's gonna sound crazy. Let's save these strings though. And then yeah, the guitar can come in too. I think save these guitars though.
Work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony dog. I ain't got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever move like a phony dog.
Alright, so I think I need to pick up some energy here. So we'll keep all the drums in, keys, and maybe bring the strings in now.
Moncler, Stoney or Gucci.
Actually, this is kind of like a pre-hook, so maybe I could duck some energy and then bring everything back for the hook. So yeah, maybe bring these over. Alright, so I'm just gonna add love filter and then just automate it so it's only on in this section. And then with the drums, I'm gonna bring these back and send them to the filter too. And then we'll just add a little bit of a tape stop at the end. Alright, so this section is like the main hook, so I'm gonna bring the staccato strings in, maybe leave the guitar out. Maybe I should change up the 808 pattern here. Alright, for these ones, just because we're gonna go a bit crazier in this section, we're gonna have like a manual delay. Alright, so maybe in this hook, we don't have the filter. We just let the energy build up. So we'll cut these, and maybe we'll just bring that tape stop back in. And then that whole hook. And I think just in this last section before the hook, I'm just gonna cut everything. Alright, cool. I think we're there. And I didn't even end up using the other layers of guitar. I think that's why it's sick to work around acapellas, because then you know how much you really need in the beat. But yeah, it's crazy hot in here. I'm sweating, so let's have a listen from the beginning. So in the intro, just starting with the keys without the count melody, but that comes in here.
Cactus. Shide Boss.
And then we've got a bit of a pre-hook. So I added a sub bass just for variation. And then we've got verse 1.
Trying to work out where she knows me from. Got her eyes on me, I'm the only one. I ain't ever moved like a phony don. I ain't got no
the way
time
that
for
comes
my
in is
homies.
hard.
When it comes to women, I'm bougie. I could never try wife, no floozy. And you know that the dress code's patterned. It's only one place, Stoney or Gucci.
And then to the pre-hook again, but we got the filter this time. Now everything for the main hook. I think the energy here is crazy. And then yeah, coming to the second verse. I rate the way the drums drop every time.
She got the prettiest eyes and the littiest thighs. I think I'm liking this harmony.
But now we got the vocals instead.
Straight facts, I be wavy. These jealous man, they ain't near us. He don't like me, but his girl does.
And then for this pre-hook, I left the filter off, again for variation.